Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Pocket Rocket Garage, and today is part 2 on the bonnet repair. If you haven't watched the previous video, I decided to try and repair the original bonnet rather than purchasing a new one. This is part 2. I've got a few bits to actually fabricate today. I'm going to get onto that now, show you what I've done, and then we'll have a look, hopefully, if I get it finished, what it looks like at the end of this video. And stay tuned, because yes, you guessed it, today is the day that you get a chance to win a Pocket Rocket Garage mug. Keep watching and we'll get to that a little bit later on.
Help out a little bit. Okay, let's try that again on this side.
So these are my new sections of the bonnet brace that sits underneath the underside. It was far easier just to try and make them than actually repair these. They're just too far gone. They come out really well, actually. First time sort of made anything like this, and yeah, I'll offer them up to the bonnet now so you can have a look. There we go. So here is the panel that I've purchased to save this bonnet, and it is the upper mounting lip. This is a heritage panel. I got this from Ball Motive Spares, and what this is it spot welds or plug welds to the top of the bonnet edge, and the grille surround self-tappers onto it. Let's offer up the bonnet lip now and put it in place. There you go. It fits quite nicely. The contour seems good to the lip that I completely repaired, so I must have got that in a fairly good position. Now, until I turn the bonnet over, I won't know if this lip is in the exact position or not. So let's turn the bonnet over and see how tight the chrome grille surround is to the actual front of the bonnet. Nice close up for you there, guys and girls. So that's the grille surround tight to the bonnet, or at least as tight as I can get it. With some filler, it's going to be even better. So it's on to the next step. Now, I added a good amount of body filler onto the bonnet, but as you'll see, the majority actually gets sanded away because it was only a skim I needed. Now, next I put on some high build primer, which I've not used before, but this was really good and got a lot of the imperfections covered. And then onto the top coat. This is a Tahiti blue ready mix can of paint. This is the paint I've used. It's been ready mixed. Okay, and as you can see, it's a really close match. It's so bad, but it doesn't matter because it's only there to protect the bonnet in the areas that have been repaired, because this is the actual look I'm going to go for. Not to everyone's taste, I imagine, but I really like it. I like that sort of street cafe racer look rather than just another sports pack that's really pretty. And it's not too much that can't be undone, considering that I have repaired the bonnet to a point where realistically, if you wanted to then get it completely repainted in the original colour, you could. It's come out great. Not perfect by any means, I imagine, but the badge looks great and disguises probably a lot of the work. Once I get the satin or matte black vinyl on there, I'm not sure whether to keep the stripes and then just join it across the top there, you know, bring the stripes to there. That might look quite cool. I might not put the original badge back on, but then again I might. A couple other bits I've modified, so I'll just grab them. My favourite bit about owning a Classic Mini or a classic car is just being able to modify small parts, and this I think looks so different just with some actual go faster holes in it. Makes it look cool, and yeah, a nice lick of paint should keep it going for many more years. That's the bonnet repair completely finished. I'm laughing because it's taken me about 8 attempts to say repair. It's all done. You're making me laugh.
Not doing anything.
This is for the magic scene where I make the mug appear. We're on to the part of the video where a magic mug, the Pocket Rocket Garage mug, appears in my hand when I click my fingers. Wow! Now this is your chance to win this mug. Yes, it's a Pocket Rocket Garage mug. One of only 3 in existence at the minute, unless, you know, I do really well on the channel when I start selling loads of merch. This is available to win today. The winner will be announced next week in the video, but all you've got to do is comment on this video with the word mug. That's as simple as that. It can't be any easier. So watch this video, make a comment on there with the word mug, and then by next week, there'll probably be thousands of entries, so I'll have to sift through them, and then we'll pick one out on next week's video, and you'll win the mug. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next week to find out who wins this. See you later.